Hey fam, how's it going? In today's segment of Tuesday Siege Right, Israel will be finishing up his discussion on manure. Today he'll be sharing some great ways to find manure in your area, so stay tuned.
Okay, one more. Let's think about this. So some people are like, hey, where can I get this wonderful manure? How much does it cost? So most people that have stables and they have cattle, they'll give you manure for free. Understand that manure is just dung, it's poop. And so like if a person has a stable with maybe 10 horses, they probably have to what they call muck out the stable. They push all this manure along with the litter and the straw and hay into a pile somewhere. They have to clean out the stables. And so this stuff, this dung, is actually placed in a little mountain somewhere, a little hill. They build up over time where it sits and decomposes, dries out, where it can be used as a very, very, very valuable soil amendment. Now, guess what? Most cattle people will give it to you for free. You might have to shovel it, and if you don't want to shovel, you want to probably be friends with those guys, because normally they have some type of machinery, maybe a bobcat, where they can drop a load on your truck, and you don't necessarily need a truck full of it. If you have that much space, you can use a truck full of it, but you can come up with a 5-gallon bucket. You can use a some type of tote, or even the back of a pickup truck to get manure. And like I said before, most of the times it will be very inexpensive. Even if they charge you, they might not even charge you. They just want it gone. Okay? All right. Thank you.